Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline i96 on this beautiful C-Class AMG Mercedes. Just going to jump in now and show you how it actually works. So right now, this is what usually happens is when someone breaks into the house, they take the key, obviously, or they try and clone it, jump in and start it. So now, because we fitted the i96, you can disarm it in one of two ways. You can either use a Bluetooth authorization tag or you can use a push sequence. So on here we've done something very simple, but I'm going to show you now. We're going to try and start it. Vehicle doesn't start. Okay, vehicle doesn't start. So what you do now is every time you jump in, main ignition on, insert your push sequence, receive a melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, it's got the facility that if you want to change the code, this is also straightforward. So what you need to do, you need to turn on the main ignition, insert your disarm code, receive your melody, and then hit this button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle the ignition off, pause, main ignition on. Get your 5 bleeps, and now we're just going to do, say this button here now. You're going to receive a melody to see it's accepted the code. And then we're going to repeat it again. There you go, melody's received. This is now the new code. So we give it about 10 seconds, wait for it to arm. Obviously it doesn't start. So main ignition on, new code, receive your melody and start. As you can see, the plus of the volume is not a good choice. Also, you can actually pair it, but let me just put a phone on pause. I'm going to turn down the volume. So now I've just changed the code, so I was obviously increasing the volume up. So I've changed it to the minus button again. This time I'm actually going to show you how to pair your phone. So if you wanted to use your phone as an authorization tag, you have to download an app called Starline Key. And I'll show you how to make the product discoverable. So main ignition on, insert your code, receive your melody, then do this button 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignition off, pause, main ignition on, 7 bleeps, and then you'll be able to find the actual Starline i96 tag. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the video on pause and I'm going to show you it working on the actual tag. So now we've downloaded the Starline Key app and this is what it looks like. So all you really have to do, as long as you've got the green band around it, means the system's active and it's paired. So just turn on the ignition, receive your melody and just start. No push sequence, really clever, really straightforward. Also on this particular app you can adjust the range, so basically if it's parked on a drive and your phone is on your windowsill, obviously we reduce the range such that it won't be disarmed. Also when you take the car for a service, you don't want to disclose the code, and obviously you don't want to give them the phone, you put it into Valet Mode. And the way you do that is push and hold this till it goes past red and to amber and release. You'll get 2 bleeps, that means it's now in Valet Mode, so you can act like a normal car. And then when you receive it back again, put your finger on there again till it goes back to green. And release. So this is now protected again. I hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.